welcome to my new intro.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today video, I'm gonna talk about thieving Sandy, who take my partner money. So yes, guys, when I was going to primary school, anyway, before I go down into this video, guys, if you're new, I want you to subscribe, like, I want you to share this video, I want you to tell a friend about life with Curry Gooders. Undo all of that, me I wait. You still not do it? Hold on, guys. Did y'all watch the previous video that I did about foster kids? Okay, so if you didn't watch that video, I want you to pause this. I want you to go watch the video about foster kids and come back to this. Alright? Yeah, so after you go, you can come back and go and finish this video. So anyway, guys, let's get into it. It have this lady when I was going to primary school. She named Sandy. I never call her name. Sandy with a Kool-Aid chicken, because she's put Kool-Aid on her chicken to make it look rider. People, so me now they go school. I'm used to save my lunch money. I'm just a true partner. $20 a day. $20 a day now. This is true with the woman. I'm here wait to get partner money for Christmas. Then time they are $800 you go get it on. Then time they $800 all heap of money, you know. Me so make sacrifice, you know. Sacrifice. Yeah, I'ma throw it when everybody eat big lunch. I can't eat big lunch because when I throw my partner a hot dog. I don't know if you remember when time me I go school, it have the hot dog bread, but them used to cut one sausage in a 4. Them used to cut one sausage in a 4, like cut it down in the middle, cut it so and cut it so. So one of the sausage a 4 hot dog that. You can get the whole hot dog one, you know. But the one they go more money. And I couldn't buy that, them used to have to buy the one with the 1/4 hot dog. Yeah. Just to show my partner. Telling me in a 5th grade, you know. 5th grade, they go over in a 6th grade. You understand? Because the partner would have done when me in a 6th grade. You understand? The December. Because I remember say school break in a holiday time or something. Anyway, time for me get my partner money. Could I get my partner money? The woman turned me big enemy. And me and her daughter did friend like this. Me and her daughter was friend. Friend. The woman tell her daughter if you not chat to me. Because she have me money. And me go ask her for me money. The woman not that run me. Tell me a little bit, you know. The woman not start run me. And me never know whether if me fit tell me mother. Yes or no. Because my mother never knows me in a partner. No. My mother never knows me in a partner. Because when me get the money, me done a plan say me I go say a shift club. Because I don't know if it is wrong or right for in a partner. But I just look on it as savings. Because I say if I have the money, you know some people can save in a piggy pan. But them time I can't save in a piggy pan and them something there. If I do that, I not go save it. I go use the money. But I say if somebody have it, I can save it that way there. You understand? I go day number 1 for my money. The woman run me. Day number 2, the woman run me. So it did have this police place now where you see the next door. Where you see the next door of my school. Them fix police vehicle over there, but the all is a police over there. So me walk over there and I say, sir, I say, the lady over there should have me money and she don't want to give me money. And then, oh God, me tell her, say, $800 will for money them time there, you know. Imagine $800 them time there. Me in a grade 5. $800. Curry could have said $800 in a grade 5. Girl cash, you know? Cashy bad. Bad. Me real cashy them time there. But the police coming out, she never trust me, you know. She's like, oh, may I give her the money such time. And every week the woman time me out. Till the woman went in, I stop ask her for the money. The woman taunt me. I never know what to do about it. I never know. I hate that woman up until today. The woman taunt me. The woman laugh out when she see me. Yeah. Big black rusty woman. She big and black and rusty, you know. I don't discriminate people, but I have to discriminate she. Because she big so. I remember when I live in Trinidad and I go down to Jamaica for vacation. I see her at the supermarket called Miss Richie. I'm going to give her a nice cutty eye. Because she remember me, you know. She remember me because I used to go over to school when I leave to go high school, you know. And the little witch, she have the nerves because I turn big woman now, you know. The woman have the nerves, you know. She called me nickname, and I would call me nickname for certain reasons. What me used to use. And she said, like she just said, a curry that? It was a curry no. A curry that? I just give her a decent cut here. I say, I wish you cut it. If you cut it, I could have chop her in a two. Make her decent, come here, make sure you know, say, dirty woman, I still eat you. Even though them time there, $800 will come like a nothing. But it's just the old principle of it. Say the woman take the money. Like if she did give me the $800 at the time, then I tell her say, it would have feel good. Just the principle I say she give me back the money. You understand? If she give me back the time there, when she see me, I turn big woman. But the fact that the woman rang and strong and she start trouble me and so. I don't like some big people, you know, it have some big people I don't like, you know. Up until now, me a big woman now, you know. I don't like them, you know. Sad to say, you know. Because them say, you know, if you go on with eating your heart, you know. But have some big people I don't like. Because have some big people, when they are pitney, them deal with you some way. You understand? And me as a child, now that me get older, I think that was something good I was doing by throwing the partner. But the wrong thing about it, I should have met my mom know. You understand? Because if my mother didn't know, maybe it could have deal with better and maybe would have get back my money. You understand? That was the wrong pattern. And growing up now, that was saving for me. So me I said to myself, say, you know, say me they make sacrifice a long time. For me the liquor me I make sacrifice. You understand? Yes, I've been making sacrifice from I was little. When I think about these things, the true partner money. Nah, buy box food. When every pitney I eat box food, me not eat no box food. You understand? Me I eat hot dog every day. Or chop up and fried dumpling. You see me for lunch. While the pitney them eat them big food. And it's not like me never used to get money. You see what I say? Figure school. I used to get my money for school. But because me sacrifice to the woman partner. You understand? So anyway guys, I want to get to what me try to say. If this come across any kids or nothing like that, or if you not having a child, I know you can teach them something from this. Don't do nothing as a child without letting your parents know. I don't look at this as something bad I did, but I think it was wrong of me not letting my mom know, because maybe could have done different. Because until today the woman have my money. Because I'm a person like this, and the reason why my draw was so late because my like last draw. When I go into a partner, I always want last draw because I get to save my money. Cause when I get early draw, I don't find that as draw. You understand? People say, oh, me get the money and bank it. I like save the money, throw the money and get it at the last. Unless me have something to do, I go want it early. But I like last draw. That's why I did get for me way up. Cause I did plan for my money for Christmas. You understand? Me I plan for my money for Christmas because I want to get additional stuff. Even though my parents are take care of everything, but me just feel good. Like me I say, remember when at Christmas time, we go downtown and we can buy something. And me was one of them friends there, even though I'm little. Even when father send money and something, like your mother will give you one little change out of it, like $150. They a little bit they get $150. I say, hey, well this and sitting. Me and my friend them, and me I buy them drinks and sitting and bag juice and cheese chip and sitting. Yeah, cause that's was the kind of person I am. So me has a plan and me I say, when Christmas come and sit and my friend them go downtown, me can buy them this and me can buy them that and sitting. So that's the kind of person I am, and that was the mentality me did have. So it wasn't like me need clothes or not like that. That wasn't the issue, But just to see if you can go lavish with my friend them downtown, But anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys get something from what I am saying. You understand? Don't do nothing without your parents knowing. And uno parents, uno people, with the partner, whether if you're not adult, not put in a partner, kids, don't put no picnic in a partner unless them parents know. It is wrong. Do not put kids in a partner unless them parents know about it. Yeah, it is wrong. So anyway, guys, thank you for making it Life with Curriculars. Bye, guys. I am out.